Hey guys, it's Allie. Welcome to another edition of ARG's Tip Tuesday. So as you guys know, last month we celebrated our 5-year anniversary and it was awesome. So I gave away some awesome prizes, and my first giveaway was a one-on-one consultation with a rental owner that was in the middle of their turnkey process. That was quite an interesting experience. My rental owner at the time was definitely overspending on their renovation and was not going to yield the type of after repair value they were offered, especially for a rental. So when you guys take a renovation project, definitely do a strong market analysis. Know how much you're going to be able to get in rent. Know how much you're going to be able to get when you sell it. So you want to do those renovations to kind of match those numbers at the time. So remember, we're always in the business to what? Make more money. So I hope you guys learned from this Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you next week.